Hey guys, how you doing? This is Ray Cologne, and I'm here in Apopka, Florida, in this beautiful townhome. This 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath townhouse is just a new construction. Starts at $200,000. The builder is contributing $5,000 towards your closing costs, and also $4,000 towards flex money. So that means basically flex money, you can take that money and either upgrade, or you can take that money and apply it towards your closing costs. So that means it will give you a grand total of $9,000 to cover your closing. And that's amazing because at $200,000, that basically means you're coming nothing out of pocket for your closing costs. Just your prepaid and your down payment. If you do FHA, you're looking at 3.5%. The stainless steel appliances don't come with it. If you wanted to use the flex money, you can. The cabinets are standard, so everything you see here is standard except for the stainless steel appliances. It's amazing. It's beautiful townhome. I love it. This particular model is just over 1,500 square feet. Okay, you have that little patio deck back here. So if you guys are looking for very low maintenance type living, this is it for you guys. Go upstairs where we can take a look at the rest of it. Beautiful. Now it does come carpeted, but again, you can upgrade and get the rest of the home with floors if you like. It's one of the bathrooms here. Look at that sexy guy. I love what they did. Here's the bedroom. Well staged. Beautiful. Look at that. Ace tennis. There you go. You have a daughter. Beautiful room right here. Little ballerina. Absolutely beautiful. And I know you really can't tell in the video, but these are very, very big rooms. If you hit me up directly, I can give you the sizes. Okay, so that's 2 bedrooms right there. And then now, off this hallway, we're going to, first let's take a look inside this closet. Where we see, look at that. Washer, dryer. Beautiful. Okay, so that's a lot of people always ask me about getting the washer and dryer upstairs. The master bedroom. Wow, nice. Okay, now this is a very huge master bedroom. Look at this. So this is a king size bed, guys. King size, look at that. And there's still enough space for 2 big nightstands on each side. And you have all this space here for this dresser drawer. In the bathroom here, off the master, you have this. And of course, a sexy guy again with double vanities. And then ladies, look at this closet. This is a to die for walk-in closet. All right, this is what my wife would call a hers and hers. That's right, ladies, because I don't get any space in my house. So if you're interested in this, give me a call, all right, at 407-310-0387, or visit my website at raycoloneflhomes.com. so you can get a private tour of this beautiful townhouse, and the additional ones just like it. Again, this is the one that's 1,500 square feet, and this is the smallest out of all of them. Okay, so give me a call. Price is $200,000 for this one. Just as you see it, very few upgrades were done to this model. If you guys need credit help, we also provide credit repair assistance for all my clients. If you need down payment assistance, we have that available also. So give me a call at 407-310-0387 or visit my website at raycoloneflhomes.com, or just shoot me an email, raycoloneflhomes@gmail.com. Thank you. Have a wonderful day, guys.